Hey guys, JJ here. If you are keen on creating a small hydroponic system for, little herbs or whatever you want to do with it, stay tuned and see how I made this one.
Guys, so I will show you guys. This is very easy. I just made my 45 degree. This means 40. Okay, well, what I'm actually meaning is I cut this off to a 40, this to a 40, and then obviously you get your measurements from the side. But what I did is I cut my 45 degree angle cut on this thing. So basically it's gonna go flush against my side at the top, and then if you guys can see as well in my bottom piece, I've cut it 45 but also a small 45, and how you get that is by having your other 40 at the bottom. So you can just draw a line at the bottom and a line at the side as well, so you can then you get that measurement just to cut that off. Then basically you can put them together. What I will do is I will use these this biscuit cutter discs, and I will cut a groove in on the inside. I'll place it in, and I'll also cut a groove on this side so it can fit right in there, and then you can glue it in, and then you've got your one hook of your frame that you will build to mount the pipe on for your hydroponic system. So let me show you how I've done these. I've already cut my 40s, and then I've got a long piece here as well, so that's for the side, and I'll just show you guys how to cut this whole piece up. So as I mentioned, my two 40s, I'm not gonna cut them any further. What I will be cutting is this long piece that will be the 45 degree in the frame. So what I'll do is turn this to 45, and then what I'll do is I'll just cut on this line here, right here at this edge. So this is my one piece that I will have. Now let me take you back to the other side so I can show you how to cut the bottom piece off. As you can see, there's my 40 for the up and 40 for the down. You see I'm putting it at the top, the bottom piece, and obviously the side that I've cut off, the 45 degree, will go flush against there. And the reason why I've got this at the top is because then I can actually mark down with my pencil the side. So basically what I'll do is I'll get this side as flush as that I can, and then what I'll do is work our way around. So once you get this point, you get it here at the top as far as you can. So just make sure that as you go along you just move your sides so you can get that hook to be on the edge, this little piece here at the end. And then what you can do is you can just draw out with your pencil the sides, and then there you'll have your line, and then you'll have your line. This is basically 45, and that's also a 45 degree. So then you go back to your miter saw, and you cut this off. So you put it in at your miter saw 45 degree, and you cut it off, and you put the 45 degree, and you cut it off. So let's go back to the miter saw. Okay, so place it on the miter saw. It's already on a 45 degree. What you'll do is you'll measure it out, and you'll just cut this off. Now I'm gonna have to move to get you to the other side. Let me just take this way around, because I need to move my miter saw to the other side of the 45. And there you have it. There's your clean cut. Perfect. So let's go assemble this. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do with this side and the 45 degree, I'm going to have to cut a groove in here, and I'm going to cut a groove in here to fit them in there. So what you can do is just mark out so you can more or less see where you're gonna cut on this side. So you just make a line right through onto that edge, so you can know exactly. And then what you do is use your there you have it. So glue them down, and then there's your one side of the frame. What I'll do is I'll keep this as the inside where the lip is, so it just looks a bit, or you can use it as the outside, doesn't matter, up to you how you feel. So yeah, basically that's it. That's for the side. So let's do the other one. Alright, so here you got your two sides to the project. Now what I did as well is I made another 40 length, so I don't want to go too big on this. So what I'll do is, as the top piece, I'll have here, let's put it down like this for you. Okay, so basically I'll have a top piece, and I've got another one that I've got here I will use as the back, just to give it a little bit of a strength. Okay guys, so as you can see, just screw them down there, screw them at the top, and then you've got your small little frame, and then you can add on to this from there on. Alright, so the next part that I will be doing is getting my sides up. That is to block the water going in. I will drill my holes, depends on how many I need to put this little cup thingies that I bought at the warehouse. So I'll make some more holes and everything in it, and then it will fit in there. So by my side of the thing, I will have my 90-degree coming in, so it can actually go out to the next pipe. And the way that I'm going to have to do it, I cut a piece of the PVC pipe that will fit into the 20, what is this, a 20, yeah, 25 mil. So this will eventually fit in there and it will slide inside and it will stay there, so the water can move in and out using basically a little piece of the PVC pipe that will connect also to the others. So let me get this done and show you what I did.
Alright, for this part, I literally just took some clamps. I took them apart because they weren't the right size, so I improvised a little bit. What I did is I just took the sides off where the bolts and stuff was, so I used that clamp still, and I just screwed them down with a normal screw and a washer. I drilled the top parts in first, so I can still work a way around with the pipes, just to settle the pipes in and see where all my fittings can go and everything.
Here will come another bracket that will join into there. There we go. Cool. Let's get it done. So there you got it. Pipe is connected. This pipe is connected, and that pipe goes out. And I will put my water system there at the back. Now drill the holes for these cups, for these little cups. So let's drill these holes in.
Okay guys, so for this part, literally just get the middle center of your pipes. I draw a line, and then what I did as well is just marked out my ends and got my middle pieces. So everything is just sorted out, you know, looking nice and neat. Everything is on its place, very simple. And then you just drill the hole out, and then you're done. So basically, use some sanding paper, just scrub all the edges off, make it nice and neat, and then you can add your cups in just to make sure that everything is 100% sure that your holes are of the right size. That's it.
Alright guys, so there you have it. All nice and done, basically. And all that we need to do is get a bucket, and then connect a little pump into it, and have that. I will drill a hole here at the top, so that the water can come in. Right guys, so let me take you through to what I've created here. I just want to show you guys. As you can see, I've put my pipes in so it runs through to all the rest of the thing and back. As you can see there at the back, it runs back into the bucket that I've put at the back. It's a 5-liter bucket. So let me take you here at the back. Let me show you. There's a little pump, my submerged pump, so it will go up into the hole, and it will run through. What I've also done is I've placed little planks at the bottom just to hold basically this, so you can actually carry this whole thing. You can just pick it up and move it to wherever you want it to go. So that's basically it. And then the final thing will be for the where the plants go in, just to show you what I'll do with that cups. So let's go to that cups. Okay, for this cup part, literally as you can see there's 3 holes at the bottom, 4 holes, sorry. But what you'll need is a soldering iron, and what you'll do is literally, I'm just going to make these holes a little bit bigger, and I'm going to make more holes in it, and then also on the sides. So literally that's what you do. And make these holes. You can probably use a drill bit as well, but this is way faster than a drill bit, and you can do it up with the rest of them as well. And then finally adding your water, as you guys can see. Let me get closer. It's flowing in nicely. And there you go. That's basically what you need. Just start up a small one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this little hydroponic system, please give me a like and subscribe if you have not. Become part of this journey of building things and making things and whatever. Be creative. So thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, see you then.